Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. Today we are going to discuss some mistake had happened in our books of accounts after the completion of such accounts. What to do? Here we can use whitener, eraser or nothing. The last year we discussed how to rectify those errors. We have to pass the rectification entry with the help or without the help of the suspense account. Situation you know very well. Here in the partnership also, after preparing our appropriation, we may found some mistake. How to rectify that mistake? So here we are using that the past adjustments. Sometimes a new omission, a few omissions or errors in the recording of transaction or the preparation of summary statement are found after the final accounts have been prepared and the profit distributed among the partners. The omission may be in respect of the interest of capital, interest on drawing, interest on partner's loan, interest on partner's salary, partner's commission, outstanding expenses, etc. There may also be some changes in the provision of partnership date or system of accounting having impact with retrospective effect. All these acts of omission and commission need adjustment for correction of their impact instead of altering old accounts. Necessary adjustment we can make either through the profit and loss adjustment account or directly in the capital account of the concerned partners. Through the past adjustment we are doing directly in the capital accounts. So profit and loss adjustments accounts are using to rectify the errors. Here through one example we discuss how to rectify so errors. Here, Ramesh and Sahir are equal partners. Equal partners means they are sharing profits and losses equally. Their capital accounts 50,000 and rupees 1 lakh respectively on 1st April 2015. After the accounts for the final year ending 31st March 2016 have been prepared, it is discovered that the interest at the rate of 6% per annum as provided in the partnership deed has got been credited to the partner's capital account. Interest on capital we have to credit into the partner's capital account. We forgot to do that one. We have to rectify that errors. Without providing those interest on capital to the partners, we treat that as a part of profit and distributed that profit among the partners equally. That happened there. We have to rectify that. First, what to do? Here, you have to provide the interest on capital to the partners. Interest on capital is increasing their capital account or decreasing? Increasing their capital account, so credit that one. So how much is the 50,000 into 6 by 3? That is the 3,000 rupees. Here it is how much is there? Here it is, that is the 6,000 it is there. Total amount is a debit or credit, that is a firm debt. So we are taking that is the 6% 9,000 rupees. Okay, so then it is now it is the loss of the firm. Okay. So we gave that is a deficiency amount. That amount is distributed among the partners. Loss distributed. How to distribute? Equally. Okay. Other way, already we distributed that profit in this amount in the form of profit. We are going to cancel that effect. So we are distributing, that is already we credited. So we are debiting that amount 4,500. 4,500. Why? Because they are equal partners. So this effect over. So then total both the column 4,500, here 3,000, then 4,500, then 6,000. That's a total only. We are doing total only 9,000 and 9,000. So then net effect. Which column is the higher column? Here it is 1,500 extra is here. Here in this one 1,500 is extra. So that means one column we got 1,500 debit balance Another column we got 1500 credit balance. That means this person Ramesh has to give 1500 rupees to whom? Sahir. Think opposite. Without providing interest or without providing the interest on capital, he got the extra full amount 4500. After giving that one, he has to get how much only? Through 3000 only. So the extra amount which he received earlier, he has to give to the another person and adjust that one. He already he received 4500, but he has to get 6000 rupees. So this extra deficiency amount he is receiving from here. So what's the adjusting journal entry? Whose account is debit? The Demi's account showing the debit balance, his account showing the credit balance. So adjusting journal entry, Rami's capital account debit to Sahir capital. 1500 each. Go to the next one example. Nusrat, Sonu and Himesh are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. Partnership deed provides for charging interest on drawings at the rate of 10% per annum. The drawing Nusrat, Sonu and Himesh during the year ending December 3, 2015 amounted 20,000, 1,500 and 1,000 respectively. After the final accounts have been prepared, it was discovered that interest on drawing has not been taken into the consideration. Give the necessary adjusting entry. Here that is just the opposite of the interest on capital account. So here what to do? Interest on drawing, we are charging on partners capital. So firm getting that amount and partners are making the payment. So partners capital account debit balance and firms getting the credit balance. So how much is interest on capital? Here 2000 rupees. 2000 only? Okay, 2005%, 10%. 2000 rupees. Here it is 1500 rupees. Here it is 1000 rupees. For total firms credit 2000, 3000, 4500 rupees. 4500 rupees. So it is a profit. Now it is an extra amount firm received. So that distributed among the partners. So we are cancelling here. It's giving the debit balance and then distributing which ratio? 3:2:5. 5:3:2 ratio. That amount, if you distribute in that ratio, you will get how much? 2250. Calculate and write 2250 and here 1350 and here 900. Calculate and write. Okay. So then here we'll get 2000. We are writing total. There is a 2250. Here 1500. Here 1350. Here 1000 and here 900. Here 4500. Here 4500. Net effect, which column is higher column? This column is 250 extra. Here it is here this column 150 extra and this column 100 extra. And here nothing. Here is a nil balance. Here also it's a nil balance. So how to write journal entry? Yeah, this balance. Nusrat should get the credit balance 250 and Sonu 150 debit and Himesh 100 debit. So write the journal entry. Sonu account debit 150, Himesh account debit 100 to Nusrat account 250. So clear? One more example. PQ are the partners in a firm. Their capital account stood at 30,000 and rupees 50,000 and rupees 15,000 respectively on 1st April 2019. As per the partnership date, R was to be allowed remuneration of rupees 3,000 per annum. Interest at the rate of 5% annum was to be allowed on capital and profit were to be distributed in the ratio 2:2:1. Ignoring the above terms, net profit of rupees 18,000 for the year ended 31st March distributed among the partners equally. Pass necessary entries to rectify the errors to show in the entry. This full mistake happened. Profit 18,000 rupees. They distributed equally. First you should cancel that one. How to do? Profit distributed equally. Already we credited in their column. So we have to debit and cancel that one. They did that was an equally distributed. That means 18,000 divided by 3, 6,000 each. So here we are writing 6,000. Here writing 6,000. What we did? We are cancelling that effect. That is the 18,000. Okay. Then remuneration. Who will get the remuneration here? That is a 3,000 per annum. R will get. Remuneration is increasing or decreasing capital? Yeah, increasing. So I can write here. So 3,000 rupees. This amount is giving from this profit only. Am I correct? So I can write deduct that amount from here. Okay. So firm is giving. So debit balance he is getting. So credit balance. Or we have to deduct from here. So I am writing here. So interest on capital, they are getting or deducting? Yes, they are getting. How much is interest on capital? Interest on capital 5% per annum on the capital. Capital is 30,000, 50,000 and 50,000. How much will get? 1,500. Okay, credit balance. 1,500 will get first person. Second person 750 will get, and third person also, sorry, columns gone wrong. Debit, credit only. So 750 will get, and third person also will get a 750. Calculate and write. What is the 5% of the 30,000 and this one and this one. And total you are getting, how much you are getting total? 3,000. Sorry, not that in dot column. 3,000. Okay. So next, this only. Any other adjustment is here? No. We did all those things. No adjustment is here. So we have to calculate the balance. How much is there? That 18,000 minus 3,000 minus 3,000. That means we are getting 12,000 rupees. 12,000 rupees balance. That 12,000 rupees balance you should distribute it among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. There is a profit sharing ratio that is here. See here, profit sharing ratio 2:2:1. So distributed that 12,000 in 2:2 ratio. Where it should enter? It should enter in the credit side. How much will get? Yeah, 4,000, 4,800 and 4,800 and here 2,400. 2,400 will get. Then total. How much will get here? There's 6,000. The total column of the 6,000. Here it is the 6,300 and here it is 6,000 and here it is 5,550. 5,550. Here it is 6,000 and here it is 6,000, 6,150. Is it correct? Just calculate that. Here it is getting how much is the 18,000 and here also getting how much? 18,000. Okay, I total those all columns. So next check which column is getting higher. Here it is getting 300 extra. Here it is getting how much is getting here extra. Okay. How much it is getting here? Your here it is the higher amount. How much is getting? Here you are getting 450 and here which one is a higher item? That is the 150. Here it is 150. These two column nil balance. Sorry. Nil balance. So how to write the journal entry? Who is getting debit balance and who is getting credit balance? So this person is getting the debit balance 450 and Q account debited to P account to R's account. This way you have to write the journal entry. Hope understood that one. Thank you.